Hey guys, this is Kyle from SalvageData. Today I'm working on an M1 iMac that is completely dead. I've already removed the display, so I'm going to plug in the power cable and check if the fans spin. This will tell us if the board is even attempting to post. As you can see, nothing is moving. Since an iMac is basically an all-in-one monitor, diagnostic here is a bit tricky. Unlike a MacBook, we can't just hook it up to a Type-C tester to check the amp draw, and we can't click the trackpad to feel for haptic feedback. We have to rely strictly on experience. I've pulled the logic board out of the housing, and my first step is checking for shorts on the main power rails. But everything here is measuring fine. So let's move under the microscope for a thorough visual inspection to see if we can spot anything obvious. The board looks pristine, straight from the factory, but then I noticed some strange residue around the inductor near the PMIC, the power management. Looking at it from the side, the inductor is visibly burnt and the capacitor right next to it is cracked. The shorted cap overloaded the inductor, forcing it to carry way too much current until it literally blew up. We'll remove the damaged capacitor and leave it off for now since it's not critical to the circuit. But the inductor definitely needs to be replaced. You can't just throw any random component in here. These inductors must match specific specs and form factors. Luckily, we can salvage one from any M series MacBook board. I'm using a donor board from a MacBook Pro A2338. There are two of these exact inductors on it, so either one will work. Alright, the components are replaced and I verified the short is gone. Now it's time for a quick test assembly to see if this iMac finally comes back to life. We won't fully reassemble the device, we'll just reconnect the screen to verify the device is working. Thanks for checking out this recovery. Please check out some of our other videos on screen now, and if you require any of the services seen in these videos, please check the description for contact information.